Hey, welcome back to part 3. Yes, before I get into the unboxing, but I have to point out movie frauds, toy frauds, things that apparently the toy creators did not learn against the movie, that type of stuff. So yes, finally in part 3. And you know what, if you don't like it, how I'm doing these unboxing reviews, there's a fast forward button. You can fast forward. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to watch. No one's holding your family hostage. You could just clear off and go search for another. And if no one made it, and you don't like how I'm making these videos, here's the thing. Go out, buy the part, and go make your own video. Because I'm tired of this BS stuff in the comments. Alright? But it's like, it took you 12 minutes just to do a unboxing? Yes, but did you go through the history of the points of the falls? Like, that should not be blue. Why did it give you this instead of missiles? Like Nerf darts. Why is it on his right arm blaster instead of the left one? Did they even see the movie? Because I sure have seen the movie, and I could pull out the movie flaws right here in this toy. Which doesn't really want to come out of the box. Okay. So I guess that's kind of a flaw right there. So yeah, they had tape up on this side to slide it out on that side. So there is some instructions that come with this. I love that they did give you some paper ties on here instead of those little plastic ties. But sometimes it makes it a little bit easier. I don't know, I'm probably just going to have to cut this. If I figure out where the heck the other tie is. And no, it doesn't want to work that way. Okay. Gotta be real careful in here. And you see just in a second if I don't mess this up. Okay, that is really tight in there. So when you tie it down, it's right where this wrist strap is. So yeah. Okay. So we can move that to the side for the moment. We still got the disc in there. Was the disc or just little tape in there with a piece of plastic, which is pretty cool. So you get about 5 discs, I believe, which I don't even think that they tell you on the